Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef intestine. First, it's crucial to clean the intestines properly. Begin by rinsing them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any visible debris. Next, carefully scrape off any excess fat or membrane from the outside. Finally, soak the intestines in a solution of vinegar and salt for about 30 minutes to further cleanse them and reduce any strong odors. After cleaning, the next step is to tenderize and season the beef intestine. Boil the intestines in water with your favorite aromatics, like ginger and garlic, for 2 to 3 hours until they are tender. Once cooked, drain them and cut into manageable 2-inch pieces. Then, marinate these pieces in your chosen blend of spices for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate. Now for the exciting part, cooking your beef intestine. You have several delicious options. You can grill or pan-fry the marinated pieces until they are wonderfully crispy and golden brown. Alternatively, braise them slowly in a rich, flavorful sauce for an incredibly tender and succulent dish. Cooked intestine also adds fantastic texture and depth to stews or stir-fries. Finally, let's talk about serving your delicious beef intestine. It pairs wonderfully with a spicy dipping sauce, adding an extra kick to every bite. For a complete and satisfying meal, serve it alongside fluffy steamed rice or a medley of fresh, crisp vegetables. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.